Hello, children. How are you today? I hope you are fine and at the same time you are keeping safe. We shall be looking at another topic for this week, which is the steps to read an email. And this class is presented by Mr. Innocent Etienne. Now, before we go further into our class, I'd like us to quickly remind ourselves on what we discussed or learned last week. Last week we discussed on the topic steps for sending an email. Step for sending an email. After you have composed or after you have write a mail, there is need for you to send it. So we look at the steps for sending an email. Now I'd like you to understand that email is an electronic means of sending and receiving messages. Topic outline. List all the steps in reading an email. Objective of lesson. At the end of this class, you should be able to list all the steps in reading an email. Steps to read an email. I'd like you to follow me carefully on these steps to read an email. Now, when a mail is sent to you, there is need for you to read the mail. And if you don't pay attention to all these steps, there is no how you can read your mail. Is that clear? Number one, you need to start the computer system. Number two, connect to the internet. In my last class, I told you the various way to connect your computer system to the internet. You can use the MiFi or you can use a modem. And if you don't have the MiFi or the modem, you can also use your phone hotspot to share data. Is that clear? Launch the website browser. Example, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini. Now, these web browser are applications that enable you to access the internet. And we have many examples of the web browser. The next step is click on the address bar and type in the website address of the free web-based email service. Example, the Yahoo Mail, the Gmail, and the Hotmail. These are the three common free web-based email services that we can use to create an account. And in our first class, I showed you how to create an account using the Gmail. And I believe that you have created your own account. Is that clear? All right. Now, it is that free web-based email service that you use in creating your account. That is what you are going to type in the address bar. Now, you type in the Gmail in the address bar. Now, after you have done that, you press enter on the keyboard. Now, when you do that, a page will be displayed. Now, on that page, you select and click on sign in. Now, on that very page, you will see sign up and sign in. Now, when you click on sign up, that is to say you want to create a new account. Now, when you click on sign in, that is to say you want to access your existing account. Do you understand? So you have to click on sign in. On the display dialog box, enter the username and the password. Now, when you click on sign in, the dialog box will be displayed for you. Now, on that dialog box, you will see the username and the password. Now, the username and the password was demanded when you are creating the account. So, that username that you enter and the password that you enter, that is what you will enter in that space provided for you. Now, when you do that, the account has been opened. Now, when the account has been opened, the page will display the content of your inbox. Now, when you enter your password and your username, now you have access to your inbox. Now, in your inbox, you have messages that have been sent to you. Do you understand? Maybe you have 5 messages that have been sent to you. You will see them there in your inbox. Is that clear? And of course, we know that you cannot read all the mail at the same time. You have to do that one after the other. And that takes us to the last steps. Select and click on the desired mail in the box. Now, when you click on the desired mail on the box, the contents will be displayed for you to read. Do you understand? Now, the last slide here is assignment. And this assignment, I want you to do the assignments and submit it for marking. List all the steps to read an email from your mailbox. Thank you for listening. I see you in my next class.